Hello students, welcome to all to Sri Kamakshi tutorials. Today we are discussing two marks important question, most important question on the point of view of exam. If A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree, verify sin of A plus B is equal to sin of A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Given is a is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. Sin of A plus B, sin of A plus B, that is LHS is equal to sin of A plus B is equal to sin of A is a 60 plus 30. This is equal to sin of 90 degree. The sin of 90 degree is the value of sin 90 degree is 1. Next RHS is equal to sin of A into cos B plus cos of A into sin B. Sin of A, the value of A is 60 into cos of B, B is 30 degree plus cos of A is 60 degree into sin of B, the value of B is 30 degree. Sin of 60 degree, the value of sin 60 degree is root 3 divided by 2 into the cos 30 degree, cos of 30 degree is root 3 divided by 2 plus value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 into the value of sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Here is a root 3 into root 3 square divided by 4 plus 1 ones are 1 divided by 4. That means root 3 square is 3 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. That is equal to, if denominator are same, numerator should be added. 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. That means 1. LHS is also 1. RHS also 1. That means sin of LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is a sin of A plus B is equal to sin A into cos B, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. If cos of A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 and tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, then find the values of secant of 2A minus 3B if 0 is less than or equal to AB, A plus B is less than or equal to 90 degree. Given is a cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Cos of A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Cos of 60 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree. A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Another one is given is a tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan of A minus B is equal to, here is a tan. Tan is a sin divided by cos. 0 divided by 1 is a 0. 1 by 2, it's divided by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. That means root by 1 by root 3. That is tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Right here tan 30 degree. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. This is a equation 1. This is a 2. Solving 1 and 2, we get solving 1 and 2. A plus B is equal to 60 degree. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Plus B minus B cancelled. 2A is equal to 90 degree. A is equal to 45 degree. 90 divided by 2 is a 45 degree. Putting the value of A is equal to 45 degree in 1 or 2. We put 1. A plus B is equal to 60 degree. The value of A is a 45 plus B is equal to 60 degree. B is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. Plus 45 becomes minus 45. B is equal to 15 degree. The value of B is 15 degree. Next, they ask secant of 2A minus 3B is equal to secant of 2 into A is 45 degree minus 3 into B is 15 degree. This is equal to secant of 45 to the 90 degree minus 15 3 is 45 degree. This is equal to secant of 5 degree. Of 90 minus 45 is 45 degree. Secant of 45 degree. Secant of 45 degree is cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Secant of 45 degree is root 2 divided by 1. That means root 2. Root 2 is the answer. Understand, students? If you have any doubt, comments me, I will teach you again. If 2 into sine of A plus B is equal to root 3 and cos of A minus B is equal to 1, then find the measures of angles A and B. 0 is less than or equal to AB. A plus B is less than or equal to 90 degree. Given is that 2 sine of A plus B is equal to root 3. Then sine of A plus B is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Here is a 2 is a multiply, that becomes here division. Sine of A plus B is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine of 60 degree is a root 3 by 2. That means here I will write sine of 60 degree because sine 60 degree is a root 3 by 2. Next, A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Understand, students? Next, another one given is a cos of A minus B is equal to, cos of A minus B is equal to 1. Cos of A minus B, cos of 0 degree is 1. Cos of 0 degree is 1. Therefore, I will written here cos of 0 degree. That means A minus B is equal to 0. Solving these two equations, we get the values of A and B. Right, A plus B is equal to 60 degree. A minus B is equal to 0 degree. These are cancelled. 2A is equal to 60 degree. A is equal to 60 divided by 2. That means A is equal to 30 degree. Put the value of A is equal to 30 degree in equation 1. We get A plus B is equal to 60 degree. 30 plus B is equal to 60 degree. B is equal to 60 minus 30, that is B is equal to 30 degree. If sine of A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, cos of A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, 0 is less than A plus B is less than or equal to 90 degree, A is greater than B, then find the angle A and angle B. Solution of this question is a sine of A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. Sine of A minus B write as it is. When the value is 1 by 2, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a sine 30 degree. Here is the, in place of 1 by 2, I write sine 30 degree because value of sine 30 degree is a 1 by 2. That means A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Understand, students? Another one is given is a cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Cos of A plus B, right as it is, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. That means A plus B is equal to 60 degree. This is a 1. Write this as a 2. On solving 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2, we get A minus B is equal to 30 degree, A plus B is equal to 60 degree. plus minus b are cancelled. Here a plus a is a 2a is equal to 60 plus 30 is a 90 degree. A is equal to 90 divided by 2. Here is a 2 multiplied. It becomes here a division. A is equal to 45 degree. Put the value of a is equal to 45 degree in 1 or 2. A plus b is equal to 60 degree. The value of a is a 45 plus b is equal to 60 degree. B is equal to 60 minus 45 degree. The value of b is equal to 15 degree. Understand, students? If 12 cosec a is equal to 13, then find the value of 2 sin a minus 3 cos a divided by 4 sin a minus 9 cos a. Here is given is 12 cosec a is equal to 13. That means cosec a is equal to 13 divided by 12. Cosec a is equal to 13 divided by 12. Then sin a is the value of sin a. Very good. 12 divided by 13 because sin is the reciprocal of cosec. Sin a is equal to 12 divided by 13. Then what is the value of cos a? You know that in the right angle triangle, take this is an ABC. Sin of a means opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Angle A is here, its opposite side is a 12, the hypotenuse is a 13. That means the value of AB is a find out. You know that by Pythagoras theorem AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. The value of AC square is a 13 square is equal to 12 square. 12 square plus AB square. Here is a 13 is a 169 is equal to 12 plus a 144 is plus AB square. 169 plus 144 becomes minus 144 is equal to AB square. 169 minus 144 is a 25 is equal to AB square. AB is equal to 5, 25 means 5 square. AB square is equal to 5 square. That means AB is equal to 5. Then cos A is equal to, the value of AB is a 5. Cos A is equal to 5 divided by 13. Understand, students? Here is a 2 sin A. 2 sin A minus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 9 cos A is equal to 2. The value of sin A is a 12 divided by 13. 12 divided by 13 minus 3 into the value of cos A is a 5 divided by 13. It's divided by 4. The value of sin A is a 12 divided by 13 minus 9 into the value of cos A is a 5 divided by 13. It is equal to 12 to the 24 divided by 13 minus 5 3s are 15 divided by 13. It's divided by 12 4s are 48 divided by 13 minus 9 5s are 45 divided by 13. Understand, students? Here is a denominator are same, numerator are added or subtracted. 24 minus 15 is a 9 divided by 13. It's divided by 48 minus 45 is a 3 divided by 13. In the next step, 9 divided by 13 is written as it is. 3 divided by 13 becomes 13 divided by 3. 13 are cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9. That means the answer is a 3. Understand, students? Next, find the value of x. If 3 tan square 60 degree minus x sin square 45 degree plus 3 by 2 secant square 30 degree is equal to 2 cosec square 30 degree. Then find the value of x. They ask the find the value of x. If you know the value of tan 60 degree, sin 45 degree, secant 30 degree, cosec 30 degree, you can solve this problem easily. If you know this chart perfectly, you can solve this kind of problems easily. 3 tan square 60 degree. 3 tan square 60 degree. Write 3 as it is. Tan square 60 degree. That means the tan 60 degree value is a root 3. Root 3 whole square. Minus, write x as it is, into sin 45 degree. The value of sin 45 degree is a 1 by root 2. It's a whole square. Plus 3 divided by 4 secant 30 degree. The value secant is the reciprocal of cos. That means cos 30 degree is a root 3 by 2. Secant 30 degree is a 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. It's a square. Is equal to 2 cosec square 30 degree. Cosec is a reciprocal of sin. The value of sin 30 degree is a 1 by 2. The value of cosec 30 degree is a 2 divided by 1 whole square. Next, 3 write as it is. Root 3 whole square means 3. Square root square are cancelled. Minus x into 1 square is a 1. It's divided by 2. 2 square root are cancelled, left here only 2, plus 3 divided by 4, 2 square is a 4, it's divided by square root, square are cancelled, left here only 3, it's is equal to, here is a 2, 2 square is a 2 2 is a 4, 3 3 is a 9, minus x divided by 2, plus 4 4 cancel, 3 3 cancelled, left here 1 is equal to 4 2 is a 8. In the next step, 9 plus 1 is a 10, minus x divided by 2 is equal to 8, minus 10 plus 8 becomes here a minus 8 is equal to minus x by 2 becomes a plus x by 2. 10 minus 8 is a 2 is equal to x divided by 2. X is equal to 2 2 is a 4. The value of x is a 4. Understand, students? Next question. 2 root 2 cos 45 degree sin 30 degree plus 2 root 3 cos 30 degree. If you solve this kind of question, you know this chart. The value of cos 45 degree, the value of cos 45 degree is a 1 by root 2. Here is a first write 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into cos 45 degree is a 1 by root 2 into sin 30 degree, the value of sin 30 degree is a 1 by 2 plus 2 root 3 into cos 30 degree, the value of cos 30 degree is a root 3 by 2. Next, square root of 2 cancelled, 2 are cancelled, left here only 1 plus 2 are cancelled, left here root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 means root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square means square root are cancelled, left here only 3. 3 plus 1 is a 4 should be the answer. Understand, students? If you have any doubts, comments me, I will teach you again. Next, evaluate 2 sin square 30 degree into secant 60 degree plus tan square 60 degree. You know that the value of sin 30 degree. The value of sin 30, write 2 as it is. Sin 30 degree, the value of sin 30 degree is a 1 by 2. 1 by 2. It's a square. Into secant 60 degree. Secant is a reciprocal of cos, right? That means cos 60 degree is a 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree is a 1 by 2. Secant of 60 degree is a 2 divided by 1. That is a 2. Plus tan square of 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is a root 3. It's a square. Because here is a square. In the next step, write 2 into 1 by 1 square is a 1 divided by 2 is a 4. Here is a 2 plus root 3 whole square is a 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2 ones are. All are cancelled, left here 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is a 4. 4 is the answer. Understand students? Evaluate cos 45 degree plus sin 60 degree divided by secant of 30 degree plus cosec of 30 degree. If you solve this kind of question, you know the value of cos 45 degree, sin 60 degree, secant of 30 degree, cosec of 30 degree. That means you know this chart. If you know this chart, you can solve this kind of problem easily. Here they ask us sin 45, cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree, the value of cos 45 degree is a 1 by root 2 plus sin 60 degree, the value of sin 60 degree is a root 3 by 2. It's divided by the value of secant of 30 degree. The value of secant is a reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 degree is a root 3 by 2. Secant 30 degree is a 2 divided by root 3. 2 divided by root 3 plus cosec 30 degree. The cosec is a reciprocal of sin. That means sin 30 degree is a 1 by 2. Cosec 30 degree is a 2 divided by 1. That is cosec 30 degree value is a 2. Understand students? Take an LCM. Here is a 2, here is a root 2, 2 root 2 is a LCM. Here is a root 2, here multiply this 2. That means 2 ones are 2. Plus, here is a root 3, here is only 2. That is, here is not a 2, root 2. That means multiply root 3 by root 2. That means root 6. In the denominator, take an LCM. That is a root 3. Here is a 2, write 2. Plus 2 into root 3 is a 2 root 3. In the next step, 2 plus root 6 write as it is. This root 2 is a multiply, this root 2 is a multiply with a 2 plus root 6. Here is a root 3. It's divided by 2 root 2 write as it is. This 2 plus 2 root 3 is multiply with a 2 root 2. That means 2 plus 2 root 3. In the next step, multiply root 3 with 2 root 3 plus 6 3 is 18. It's divided by, take here common, 2 root 2 write as it is. Take a common 2 here. 2 in the bracket left here 1 plus here is a root 3 because we take 2 as a common. In the next step, 2 plus root 3 write as it is plus 18 is written as a 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 9 square root of 9 is a 3. Taken 3, here is a 2. It's divided by 2 2s are 4 root 3 into 1 plus root 3. This is the answer. Understand students? Evaluate secant of 45 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 45 degree. If you solve this kind of question, you know this chart. If you know this chart, you can solve this kind of problem easily. Here is a secant of 45 degree. They ask the secant of 45 degree. If you know these three, you can write secant, cosec, cot are easily because these are the reciprocal of here ask a secant of 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is a 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is a 1 by root 2. Secant of 45 degree is a 1. That means root 2. Secant of 45 degree. The value of secant of 45 degree is a root 2. Here is a square. Write square. Minus tan of 45 degree. The value of tan 45 degree is a 1. 1 square is a 1. Divided by the value of sin 45 degree. The value of sin 45 degree is a 1 by root 2. It's a square. Understand students? The next. Here is a square root are cancelled. 2 minus 1 ones are 1. Divided by 1 square is a 1. Divided by square and square root are cancelled. Left here 2. Next. 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 1 by 2. This 2 is multiplied with a 1. 2 ones are 2 divided by 1 is a 2. Understand, students?
Wait, 2 tan 30 degree into secant 60 degree tan 45 degree divided by 1 minus sin square 60 degree. If you solve this kind of question, you know the value of tan 30 degree, tan secant of 60 degree, tan 45 degree and sin 60 degree. That means you know this chart. If you know this chart, you can solve this kind of question easily. Here is a tan 30 degree. The value of tan 30 degree is a 1 by root 3. Right here 2 into 1 by root 3. Secant of 60 degree. Secant is a reciprocal of cos. Cos of 60 degree is a 1 by 2. Secant of 60 degree is a 2 divided by 1. Secant is a reciprocal of cos. That means cos 60 degree is a 1 by 2. Secant of 60 degree is a 2 divided by 1. That means secant of 60 degree is a 2. Tan of 45 degree is a tan 45 degree. Tan of 45 degree is a 1 divided by 1 minus sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree value is a root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree is a root 3 by 2. Here is a square, right square. Understand, students? Next, 2 2s are 4 divided by root 3. It's divided by 1 minus root 3 whole square is a 3 divided by 2 2s are 4 because square and square root are cancelled. Next step, 4 divided by root 3, right as it is. Here is a 4 minus, here is a, take an LCM, here is a 4, 1 4s are 4, that means 4 ones are 4 minus 3. Here is a 4 divided by root 3. It's divided by 4 minus 3 is a 1 divided by 4. That is, this 4 should be multiplied here. This 1 is multiplied here. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Root 3 into 1 is a root 3. Right? 16 divided by root 3 are 16 root 3. 16 root 3 divided by 3. Understand, students? And wait, 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square of 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus sin square 60 degree. We know that the value of cos 60 degree. 5 cos square 60 degree. The value of cos 60 degree is a 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square minus plus 4 into the value of secant square 30 degree. The value of cos 60 degree is a root 3 by 2. Secant square is a reciprocal of cos. That means cos 30 degree is a root 3 by 2. Secant 30 degree is a 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square. Minus tan square of 45 degree. 45 degree is a tan 45 degree is a 1. That means 1 square. It's divided by sin square of 30 degree. The value of sin 30 degree is a 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. Plus the value of sin of 60 degree. Sin 60 degree value is a root 3 by 2. It's a whole square. It is equal to 5 into 1 square is a 1 divided by 2 square is a 4 plus 4 into the value of 2 square is a 4 divided by root 3 whole square is a 3 minus 1 square is a 1. It's divided by 1 divided by 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square is a 4 plus root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square is a 3 divided by 2 square is a 4. It is equal to 5 divided by 5 into 1 is a 5 divided by 4 plus 4 4s are 16 divided by 3 minus 1. It's divided by, here is a denominator are same, numerator should be added. 3 plus 1 is a 4 divided by 4. It is equal to the value of LCM. Here is a 4 3. 4 3 LCM is a 12. 4 3s are 12. Here is a 3. 3 4s are 12. Here is a 1. 1 12s are 12. 5 3s are 15 plus 16 4s are 64 minus 12 ones are 12. Understand student? Here is a 4 divided by 4. 4 ones are cancel. Here is 1. Next 15 plus 64 is a 79 minus 12 divided by 12. 79 minus 12 is a 67 divided by 12 is the answer. Understand students?
In today's class, we are discussing 2 marks important question. If you like this video, you will like, share and subscribe. Thank you.